What up, squad? We are back in the building. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Nitro Online. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my delicious fried chicken. Tune in. I'm about to tell you everything you need. We about to go step by step so you can make this at home and enjoy with your family. Look, I'm gonna help you guys make this fried chicken my style, Cooking with Nitro Online. All right, so look, I'm gonna tell you all the ingredients you need. This is the beginning of the video, so once you guys see everything you need, you just get these ingredients. You can make this anytime you want. All right, so you start with a pack of chicken wings. Get you some chicken wings. You see mine's already seasoned up because I had them marinating in the refrigerator. I'll go over that in a second. Then you got you some flour. Make sure you get some flour. Make sure you get some eggs, okay? And then make sure you have some seasonings. We got curry. We got onion powder. We got a little bit of Cajun seasoning. We got, what is this? No, please, princess.
Pepper and herb.
Pepper and herb and paprika. Okay? So you see the seasons? These seasons are all over the chicken and they've been in the refrigerator for like, let's say about an hour or so, okay? Just so they can marinate and soak up the flavor. Once you have all these ingredients, you are ready to start putting together your fried chicken. Okay, so first things you're gonna do is when you get your chicken, you wanna season it up as soon as you get it. Season it up, put it in the refrigerator, let it sit there while you relax and just let it soak up the flavor for a little bit. Okay. Then when you get everything set up, you're gonna want to get one pot, a plate maybe for your seasoning. Maybe you don't need the plate for your seasoning. Then you want to get one bowl for your eggs. Okay. I like to put 3 to 4 eggs inside of my cup, depends on how much chicken you're cooking. All right. And then you got your seasoning. So this seasoning plate is actually not going to be used because I'm going to take all these seasonings that I put just the right amount that I want on this plate. I want that amount of seasoning in my flour. So you're going to take all this seasoning. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some of it inside of my eggs because I also want my eggs to have a little bit of flavor. So I'm gonna take a pinch of each one of these, maybe 2 pinches, and we're gonna get it inside of our thing here, inside of our eggs. This is basically just putting flavor inside the eggs. You want flavor inside your eggs because your eggs is a major part of your crust of your chicken, so you make sure you got some good flavor. All right, so that's all the seasoning I'm gonna put inside the eggs. The rest of the seasoning is gonna go inside the flour. Oop. All right, so this plate is done. You don't need this plate anymore. Actually, I'm gonna keep this plate because I want to put several pieces of chicken inside of this stuff at one time. So I got a little whisk here. So we're just gonna whisk our flour. Flouring our seasonings up. Make sure you get the seasonings in the flour and not just in the corners, because you see some of it's in the corner. Your seasoning in your flour is very important because if you don't have it like mixed up well, then you're gonna get some pieces of chicken that don't have no flavor. It's just gonna be crust. And you don't want your skin of your chicken is the best part of the chicken. So this is the most important stuff right here, is making sure your flour is mixed right with the seasonings. Make sure your seasoning is a little bit inside of your eggs, and make sure it's already seasoned the chicken itself. The flavor of the chicken is the most important. So everything I'm doing right now is about flavor. All right, so that's mixed up good. Bada boom, bada bing. Now we're going to mix our eggs. I don't know why I'm using a butter knife, I just am. First thing to grab. Who cares? Forget about it. Alright, bam. Got that all mixed up. And then you're gonna dip your chicken. You're gonna take your chicken that's already been marinated. You're gonna dip it inside the eggs first. Straight like that. Boom. Then it's gonna go straight from the egg into the flour. Boom. Straight like that. Okay, and I like my chicken folded up. So after I do this part, I'm gonna fold my chicken into a little triangle. So you're gonna take the wing, put it behind the drumstick like that, and you got a little triangle. See? Then you're just gonna flour it back up, and then put it to the side. All right, do that one more time for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these wings, dip it in the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna go straight. I'm in the sauce and the eggs, and we're gonna go straight to the flour. Boom, bada bing. Cover it up. I use this big pan so you can see I like to make sure my chicken is fully covered in flour so it can stretch out, you know, it's not confined to a little bowl or anything. Alright, now it's covered. We're gonna fold it behind the drumstick. Bam. Oops. Get your leg back there. Just like that. Cover it back up. Bada boom, bada bang. And then we're gonna put it to the side. Alright, I'm gonna do a few more of these and I'll show you guys. Now we're gonna have the pizza princess show you guys how it's done.
Oops.
Comes the flip.
Dang, that's hard.
So you gotta be a little tough with it to make sure that leg gets back there. It doesn't want to fold back there the easiest. Bada boom, bada bing. Good job. Oh, see, it came apart. So what you gotta do?
Refold it. Put a little bit more flour in.
Got it.
Yeah, that's your chicken.
There we go. All right. Okay, so we just put our first batch of chicken inside of the frying the grease. So the main thing is keep an eye on your chicken. You don't want to have your heat up too high. You want it to cook all the way through. So you're gonna have to. It's a patient. You got to be patient with your fried chicken. If you're not patient with your fried chicken, when you open it up, there's gonna be blood inside of it. Nobody's gonna want to eat your fried chicken ever again in life. Nobody likes a bloody piece of chicken. So take your time with it. Watch it. Make sure you flip it consistently. And I'll tell you guys exactly how much time it's going to take me to cook these chicken wings. This batch of parts. So, it's been 7 minutes. I want you guys to check this out. This is what we're going to do. After your first 7 minutes, you're going to flip the chicken, okay? After 7 minutes. Now, you can see this wing, this leg came out. It unfolded. That's perfectly fine. They don't all have to be folded, but I like them folded. So, I'm just going to leave that one out since it's not. Now, if you look at the chicken, as I flip it, you can see it's already hard on one side. It already has like a little bit of a shell. You see it? Hold it up about right there. There you go. So it only took 7 minutes for it to get that little shell right there. 7 minutes, and it's not on high. It's on like a medium to high. Perfect. So as you can see, the chicken is starting to cook a little bit. Now we're gonna give it 7 more minutes on this side and we'll be right. It's been 7 minutes, maybe 7.5, 8 minutes because I was resupplying my bunker. That's what you don't want to do. Don't be playing video games while you're cooking your fried chicken. You might burn something. But I'm a professional, alright? Alright, so we're gonna flip these again. It's been 7.5 minutes. You wanna see how they look on the other side? Oh! Popping.
That's what I'm afraid of.
You'll be alright. Just watch out for it. You see it popping, diving like the Nitro, yeah?
What is that?
It's just blood, dried up blood. That's cooked already. You see how it's a little bit more brown?
Not that. The matrix. What is that?
Oh, the music? I gotta show you music. What's the music? What's the music? Oh my god.
I'm young. I don't know.
I'm young. Alright.
Heard of it.
So look. There we go. Alright, so it's been 7 minutes. Look at the chicken. Let me see. Here, give me. Alright. Oh, got a little fog on the camera, but so we're gonna give it another 5 minutes on this side, and I'm gonna flip it for another 5 minutes, and it should be done, ready for our next batch. But you want to be patient with your chicken. Don't rush perfection, guys. Take your time. All right, in another 5 minutes, so we're gonna flip it again. See what it's looking like on the other side. You see some of the wings are unfolding, but that's perfectly fine. Some of them are going to unfold, some of them are going to stay. There's no problem with that. But you can see they're nice and golden brown now. So we did 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes. And then we're going to do another 5 minutes, and then they should be good to go. Alright. Check this out. Yep. Them bad boy right there about to be woo! Alright, and this is our last flip. It's been 5 minutes on both sides. So we did 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. We're gonna flip them one last time. As you can see, this thing is nice and brown. Getting perfect. You see how brown that is? Golden brown. See that? Nice and brown. Cooks really well. That's what you want. You want that dark brown, crispy skin. You want nothing that's a little soft or flaky or anything like that. So now that I flipped it again, it looks like I'm gonna give this side maybe 4 or 5 more minutes, and then they should definitely be done, because I want that other side to look like this side looks. So 5 more minutes. So now it has been another 5 minutes, and we're going to take the chicken out because it is done. So all together, that's about 30 minutes total to cook your chicken. About 30 minutes, right? Let's see what we got here. Looking good. Put it on the table. We're going to put them all in here. I'm going to show you guys the final. What you got here? You're gonna put your strainer. You're gonna put some paper towels inside of your strainer to strain the grease out that you don't want to, the extra grease that's coming fresh out of the pan. It's one of the last tools that you're gonna need.
Love the smell.
Bada boom, bada bing. And there you have it. Come this way. Let me see that. She's over here sniffing the chicken. She got the camera. You the camera woman, girl. You can't be sniffing on the chicken, holding the camera, girl. So let's give us some light shined on that thing right here. And there you have it, guys. Perfectly done fried chicken. You can make it like this every single time. If you follow those instructions that I just gave you, you'll have a perfect batch of fried chicken every single time you cook it. So this is gonna drain a little bit. I'm gonna sit this in here so the grease can, drain off of it. You don't want that much grease, even though it is olive oil, which is the healthy alternative. It's still grease, so let it strain, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Nitro Online. God dang, you still hear it sizzling? My goodness.